For some chemicals used in households, common names are used instead of their chemical names. Let's enlist here daily used and a few other compounds with their chemical formulas or molecular formulas and common names. So let's begin with water, and its chemical name is dihydrogen monoxide and chemical formula is H2O. The next carbon dioxide, that is carbonic acid gas CO2. Chalk, calcium carbonate CaCO3. Then table salt or common salt, that is sodium chloride and formula is NaCl. Then sugar, that is sucrose C12H22O11. Alcohol, ethyl alcohol and formula is C2H5OH. Vinegar, that is sirka in Hindi, acetic acid and its formula is CH3COOH. Spirit, that is methyl alcohol and formula is CH3OH. Tear gas, that is asu gas in Hindi, that is chloropicrin and formula is CCl3NO2. Then glycerin or glycerol, that is propan 1 2 3 trial, then formula is C3H8O3. Laughing gas, that is nitrous oxide and formula is N2O. Marsh gas, that is methane, formula is CH4. Quartz or sand, that is silicon dioxide and formula is SiO2. Quicklime, that is mercury, it is an element and symbol is Hg. Then rubbing alcohol, that is isopropyl alcohol and its formula is CH3 twice CHOH. Quicklime, that is chuna jal in Hindi, calcium oxide and formula is CaO. Slag lime, that is calcium hydroxide CaOH twice. Limestone, that is chuna patthar, calcium carbonate CaCO3. Then bleaching powder, that is viranjak, calcium oxychloride CaOCl2. Heavy water, that is deuterium oxide D2O. Baking soda or baking powder, that is sodium bicarbonate and formula is NaHCO3, that is khane ka soda. Then washing soda, kapde dhone ka soda. Sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3, 10H2O, that is decahydrate. Plaster of Paris, calcium sulfate and formula is CaSO4, half H2O, that is hemihydrate. Then chloroform, that is trichloromethane CHCl3. Then potash ash, potassium carbonate K2CO3. Oil of vitriol, that is sulfuric acid H2SO4. White vitriol, zinc sulfate heptahydrate, that is ZnSO4 7H2O. Blue vitriol, copper sulfate CuSO4. Green vitriol, that is ferrous sulfate FeSO4 7H2O, that is also heptahydrate. Caustic soda, sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH. Calomel, that is mercurous chloride Hg2Cl2. Lunar caustic, that is silver nitrate and formula is AgNO3. Muriatic acid, that is hydrochloric acid, formula is HCl. Niter, that is shora in Hindi, potassium nitrate, formula is KNO3. Chili saltpeter, that is sodium nitrate and formula is NaNO3. Dry ice, that is solid carbon dioxide and formula is CO2. Bone mineral, that is calcium phosphate and formula is Ca3PO4 twice. Then sal ammoniac, that is nausadar in Hindi, its chemical name is ammonium chloride and formula is NH4Cl. Then TNT, that is trinitrotoluene C6H2NO2 thrice CS3. Then brimstone, that is sulfur and its symbol is S. Then gypsum, that is calcium sulfate dihydrate CaSO4 twice H2O. Epsom salt, that is magnesium sulfate heptahydrate MgSO4 7H2O. Magnesia, that is magnesium oxide MgO. Mohor salt, ammonium ferrous sulfate, that is NH4 twice FeSO4 twice 6H2O, that is hexahydrate. Vermilion, that is cinnabar mercuric sulfide HGS. Bleach, that is antiformin chloride of soda. Its chemical name is sodium hypochlorite and chemical formula is NaOCl. Then borax, suhaga in Hindi, sodium tetraborate or sometimes it is also called as sodium borate, Na2B4O5OH4, 8H2O. Then freon 12 or CFC12, difluoromethane, CCl2F2. Then galena, lead sulfide, PbS. Graphite, that is carbon, its symbol is C. Hyposolution, that is sodium thiosulfate pentahydrate, that is Na2S2O3 5H2O. Milk of magnesia, that is magnesium hydroxide MgOH twice. Fool's gold, that is iron pyrite, that is iron disulfide and formula is FeS2. Then saltpeter, that is potassium nitrate KNO3. Wood alcohol, chemical name is methyl alcohol and formula is CS3OH. Aspirin, chemical name is acetyl salicylic acid, formula is C9H8O4. Potash alum, that is Fitkar in Hindi, that is potassium aluminium sulfate. Dodecahydrate, that is KAlSO4 twice 12H2O. Phosgene, that is carbonyl dichloride COCl2. Then hematite, iron oxide, that is Fe2O3. Then wintergreen oil, that is methyl salicylate C8H8O3. Aquafortis, that is nitric acid, formula is HNO3. Then carborundum, that is silicon carbide, that is SiC. Carbolic acid, chemical name is phenol and chemical formula is C6H5OH. Then caustic potash, that is potassium hydroxide, formula is KOH. Dolomite, that is calcium magnesium carbonate CaMgCO3 twice. Then Glauber's salt, that is salt K, sodium sulfate decahydrate, that is Na2SO4 10H2O. Lithargate and massicate aloe, that is lead oxide PbO. Sapphire, ruby, aluminum oxide and formula is Al2O3. Then China white, zinc oxide, formula is ZnO. Then lal dawa, that is Condy's crystals or in solution form it is known as Bayer's reagent. Its formula is KMnO4 and its chemical name is potassium permanganate.